I can think of Telegram that is being built on blockchain. It's a technology that uh, is behind the platforms like Telegram, wherein whatever changes are being made, they are stored
Yeah.
real time.
Yeah, but so this is better, like, it is a database technology. That is a better
That's a more refined way to describe
to
blockchain.
put
It's
it.
a
Yes.
database, a way to store data in which whatever changes are being made, they are done real time. They cannot be altered with.
Yeah, they are done real time, and you can lock up. In my understanding of it is that you can lock access to everything together, or you can't, like, you can't take out one thing and access and alter it. When you're looking at blockchain, it's like five six containers of the thing put together. It's like a bank locker, okay, if I may put it like that way. So it's locked. It will be like, let's say, instead of one, it's a combination of three four lockers, okay, and the key is locked, like, you can only one, you and someone else together can open it, so it's not accessible by in one suit or in one piece by people. This is my understanding. Okay, maybe someone who's an engineer here can refine it a little bit better, but that's how it is. And because of that, when you are looking at financial transactions, okay, that can become a little bit more secure when you are using blockchain, okay, because your information you can lock in various compartments or blocks, and, like, it becomes, it's chained together, so the access is like that. It's not, you can't have access to it one or independently. This is my understanding. Okay, so, and because of that, it can be, like I said, it can be used very much with financial transactions, because it provides a little bit higher degree of security, as in it's difficult to tamper that, right? So that's as far as blockchain is concerned. But people said cryptocurrencies. Okay, so cryptocurrencies is what you immediately think, okay, or electronic currencies like Bitcoin is what you immediately think of when you are thinking of blockchain. That is one thing that immediately gets into the mind.